Hello, in this video we will going to see how we can create the page view event in our Google Ads and how we can connect it in our Google Tag Manager. So first of all you have to click on goals and then click on conversion and summary. After that you can click on conversion, create conversion action. In this page you have to just click on conversion on a website and just save and continue. Here what we need is just a page view. Just click on that and manually the create conversion. There are two method, manual with the code and automatically with the code. We will go with the manually with the code. In conversion setting we will make it primary or secondary, whatever you want, and here is a conversion name is a page view. And e-commerce we need every value will be a different, use different value for each conversion. And for the count we will create a mark on every for the each conversion. So here is two important options. Click through conversion window will be a 90 days and attribution will be a data driven. Click on that and now you can click on save and continue. Now we will use Google Tag Manager. In that we need a conversion ID and conversion label. Uh, Now we will do not close this page and go on Google Tag Manager. Here what you need to do is click on just tags and click on new. Here click on tag configuration, click on Google Ads and then Google Ads conversion tracking. Here what we need to do is we need to add the conversion ID and add it. Now there is a two option, another option for the conversion ID, because we have to add this conversion ID again and again for all the conversion in our Google Ad account. What we will do is we will create the constant variable for that. Just go there, click on new variable configuration and click on constant. Add this value in that and make it Google Ads ID constant. Just click on save. And now you have to just remove this previous one. Now it's connected, and go back and copy the conversion label and paste it there and leave all the things as it is and click on triggering. Now you can select the all pages and click on add, and now you can entitle this name Google Ads page view and just click on save and click on submit. Just add some text there and click on publish. Don't forget to publish, because if you do any changes and do not publish it, it will not gonna live. So here is a workspace and just click on finish on your Google Ad account. Go back and click on finish that, and now you will see in a page view we have created this page view and it's not active right now. So what we will do is we will click on go on Google Tag Manager and click on preview. Here, okay, let's see. Yes, Google Ad page view is fired. This is fired successfully Google Ads page view that we have created. Google Ad page view and Google Ad page view. This is fired successfully. So now the status of this inactive will be changed to the no recent conversion or active. Just refresh this page. And now you will see no recent conversion for the page view. And no recent conversion mean there is no active campaign on this. So that's why once you created the campaign on this page view, so the status will be changed again. So if you need any help in Google Ads, in conversion tracking, in Google Ads services, in campaign creation services for the services website, for the e-commerce, for the shopping campaign or the performance max or the local campaigns, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and you can email me as well, and also like, subscribe, and share my videos in your social media. Thank you so much.